Romtec Utilities goes through rigorous preparation and inspection to ensure the reliability of its pumping systems and tanks. For this project, a third-party inspector is brought in to confirm the tanks are built to the required specifications. The tanks are held to a series of standards, including correct bolt patterns, strength of welds, and a water test to address any leaks. Now that the tanks have passed the initial requirements per the client's specifications, the pumps can be placed. With the inspector present, Romtec Utilities lowers the pumps to confirm that each pump can easily slide down the guide rails and is seated correctly in the sump. Rigorous inspection and testing like this ensure that a pumping system by Romtec Utilities is of the highest quality.